When putting together a logo design proposal document, one of the most crucial things you can do is include in-situ visuals, because they can help us demonstrate to a client a logo design working in real life instances. Now here I am in Illustrator, and this is a typical logo proposal document I will put together for a client. Now as part of my proposal document, I will often include in-situ visuals. For this project, I'm working on a logo design for a music festival. And at the end of the document, you can see I have a few pages showing how the logo can be used in a series of visuals. Now one in particular shows how the logo can be used as stickers. For many logo design projects, I could imagine a logo would be used in a fun format like this, which would be great to show in a proposal document. In this video, I'm going to show you a really good sticker template you can invest in to show off your logo design in a fun instance. So let's get into it. So here I am with my logo design process checklist. Once we have created our logo designs and we have checked each task, we can now move into step 1 in phase 4. So the first step in the present logo designs phase is place logo into in-situ visual examples. Now, using in-situ visuals like this in your proposal can really bring your design to life and wow your client. Now, it can be time-consuming and difficult to take perfect photos and build in-situ visuals ourselves, especially if you're on a project with a tight budget or timeline. You may want to spend more time on other parts of the process. One method to save time is to invest in in-situ mockups. A small investment for a mockup template can save you hours of work, which will ultimately save you money. For this in-situ visual, I'm going to use a mockup template from a really cool sticker pack. So here I am in Photoshop, and these are some images I have generated using a really cool sticker template. I really like how these look and they are perfect for my project. So the template I used for this is the 8 sticker and logo mockup bundle, which I got over on Design Cuts. This is a really cool sticker bundle and actually comes complete with 8 instances with optional background textures. Now what I really like is the lighting and creased effects which are applied, which make them look really realistic. I especially like the time this template saves me. It's super easy to drop in artwork and boom, I have it ready. If you want to take a closer look at the details, specifications, and invest in this template, you can find the link in the free index PDF document that accompanies this course and in the info section of this video. Link is in the description. So here I am in Photoshop, and from the template pack, I actually popped 4 images onto one page to include into my proposal. So let's take a look at how I did this. So once I have purchased the template, you will find the folder includes 8 PSD files, which you can quickly open in Photoshop and drop your design into. Each doc includes a different instance of the sticker, which you can choose from. So one that stood out to me was the stickers in a pile, so I'll start with this one. So with the template open, we will see the bottom layer edit this. So I'll double click the smart object and we will reveal more layers, and I'll start with the front sticker. So I'll double click into this, and here I now need to paste in my artwork. So when it comes to stickers like this, they will normally have a nice white margin around them. So like this design, I'll want to make sure that I have a nice white border around my design. So into Illustrator, I want to see how my emblem logo looks as a sticker. So I'll select my artwork and just drag it over to the side. So before I pop in my design, I need to make sure I have a nice white border around my example. So I'll duplicate my artwork across, and with the direct selection tool, I'll just remove all the bits I don't need. I'll press Command Y on Mac or Control Y on Windows to go into outline mode so I can see my strokes, and remove everything until I have the outside stroke like so. Using the pen tool, I'll click on the ends of the strokes and click on the others to join them up, and I may have to click and drag to maintain the curve on some of the parts like so. Once I have my shape complete, I'll press Command Y on Mac or Control Y on Windows to go back into normal mode and set my new shape to white. With the Add Anchor Point, I'll add a point at the bottom, and with the Direct Selection tool, click the bottom anchor and add a curve. Easy. So I'll drag my shape over my logo, right click, arrange and send to back. Set the stroke to white and push it up until I get a nice thick white stroke around the outside. This is a technique I use to get a nice white stroke around my artwork. In Illustrator, I take the main artwork, remove everything to just get an outline, and then add a stroke effect so that it has a clear outline stroke. This is a technique you too can use on your artwork to get the nice white stroke around the outline ready to paste into the template. So when I'm happy with my white outline stroke, I'll click off and deselect, and then with the selection tool, select all parts. I'll copy, jump back into Photoshop, paste in the artwork, scale it up accordingly, remove the visibility of the original logo, close and save, and boom, there I have my new sticker. Now I'll just quickly click into the layer below for the back stickers. I'll paste in my sticker artwork again, scale it up accordingly, remove the visibility of the original logo, close and save, and there I have a cool pile of stickers. Nice. Now here I can select a background for my stickers, and here there are 4 to choose from. Or I could bring in my own background, but in this instance, I'll keep the wood table. So once I'm happy with my background, again I'll close and save, and now we have a nice blurred effect. How cool is that? I really love this pile of stickers. So that was really quick and has given me a really cool image to use. So another cool one is the Apple laptop. So I'll open this one up in Photoshop, double click on the edit this, and just like last time, it's just a case of dropping in our design here. So back in Illustrator, here I want to use an alternative logo design. And here I have some alternatives I have made using the same technique as earlier. Here I have simply copied the logo design across and made my white background with the stroke. So I'll grab one of these, copy, and back into Photoshop I'll paste it in. Back into Illustrator I'll grab another, copy, and back into Photoshop I'll paste. I'll move them both into position, close and save, and that looks pretty cool. And here we have these really cool optional wrinkle effects we can toggle on and off to give it a bit more authenticity. So lastly, I'll open number 8. I like this one in particular as I see a lot of stickers used like this outdoors. In this example, you again have some really cool wrinkle effects, and we can also change the color of the road sign behind by clicking on the adjustment layers and editing it in the properties panel. So using the sticker pack template, I popped in 4 of my logo designs as stickers and placed 4 of them onto one page to include in my proposal document. So this is a really cool template I would recommend you use, not only to save you loads of time, but to make your proposal document look awesome. If you want to take a closer look at the details, specifications, and invest in this template, you can find the link in the free index PDF document that accompanies this course and in the info section of this video. Links are in the description. So when putting together your proposal document, consider using appropriate in-situ visuals, as this can really help sell your design and convince a client of its merits. So back in my proposal document, another really cool in-situ visual I like to show to the client is how the logo can work on t-shirts as merchandise in a larger format. In the next video, I'm going to show you some really cool t-shirt templates you can invest in to show off your logo design. So see you in the next video.